Hi, this is Yoshi. Okay, Cicada is lecture 32. Cicada only lives 7 days in the air, but lives 13 years in under the ground. Okay, use a square paper, fold diagonal to make a big triangle, and then fold once again diagonal to make it quarter, then unfold and fold shorter end of triangle to align the corner of big triangle, and other side the same. So what you have is like this now. Now fold one side of small triangle from 1/3 of the corner end towards outside of square. Means like this. And do the same for the other half. The next is fold the front end of thin triangle. Make sure to have some space between center line. And fold back end of small triangle. Make sure not to overlap fully to show white zone like this. Then turn over the paper. Now fold the wing part. Remain some space not to touch the center line. Don't go touch the center line, and do the same for the other half. Then turn over again. Yes, this is Cicada. Okay, let's check the supplement video for Cicada. Big triangle. Fold diagonal again to make it quarter. And from here to create a square, to fold triangle like this. Like this. The next is to fold the up front triangle, half of the up front triangle like this, half to 1/3 area. Then the next is to fold the piece, the upper piece, like this. Do not touch the center line. And the rest, another piece of like this, to make sure to remain some white zone. Fold the wing part, wing. Don't touch the center line. And then turn over the paper. Okay, almost done. Just draw a eye here. Eyes, I mean. Okay, It's done. Now the next is week 7, which is getting a little tougher now. Goldfish, fish, and turtle. Okay, see you next week.